You're probably like most people. You're looking for a deal, and in this market, it's very hard to come about for a deal. But we're here today in one of my listings, and this is the best price unit here in downtown Boca Raton. And I'm going to show you a tour of this beautiful property, but also of the walkability to where we're at. We're here in downtown Boca Raton, right on Royal Palm Road. As you can see, another beautiful day here in Florida. We're going to tour this 2-bedroom, 2-bath, first floor condo here in downtown Boca. Just walking distance to the Boca Resort, walking distance to the beach, walking distance to downtown Mizner, shops. I mean, you name it. The walkability of this condo here is great. The best part about this condo, low HOA fees, $500 a month. Includes everything. Has a pool, 2 barbecue grills, and we're facing the Boca Resort 14th hole. Show you around. All right, so here we are. You got a smart lock, smart security doorbell. Comes with the unit. I'm gonna point out that you're on the first floor. As you can see, it's Florida, just started to rain. This is your assigned parking spot. You have plenty of guest parking. Take a look in here. As soon as we walk in, we're greeted by the kitchen. You have a pantry here to the left. Stove. You have your fire escape door that goes to the front as well. It's a pretty open kitchen. You have a little pass through here. What you could also do, if you're going to redo this kitchen, you could open this all completely, give it more space to the unit. There's your front door. Formal dining room area. Beautiful chandelier. Now, most people have updated and opened this up completely. It gives it a complete open feel. You have tile throughout the whole property. You have high foot ceilings. We're about 10-foot ceilings here. When you walk out here, you have a beautiful covered patio. It's either nice lounge chair or a little area for your morning coffee. We are facing the 14th hole of the Boca Resort. That's the arena there. You know, average $2 to $5 million condos. Come on here. Down there, we can take a look at the pool area. It's got 2 barbecue grills. We'll take a look at that closely. But I wanted to show you the view here. I mean, this is location, location. All right. This unit also comes with storm shutters. There's a hurricane, shut completely. You're protected. Now, the building was just recently painted. Let's see. Huge open area here for the living room. We're going to go into the primary suite. You have beautiful hardwood floors. You have impact rated windows. You have closet space, which they go deep this way and go deep that way. You have central AC throughout the whole unit. Again, 2 bedrooms, 2 bath, a little bit over 1,000 square feet. The AC is about a year old. This in-suite has its bathroom here. A shower, toilet. Now this room probably can't take into fact that how big it is. It's approximately 19 by 14 feet in here. Big primary room. Over to the hall. Here's your guest bathroom. This bathroom has a tub. If you have any children, you know how important that is. Look here. Guest room. Now this guest room's also pretty big, and it's got 2 closets. Current owner is using it as her primary suite. Impact window. See, she kind of set up this closet area as an office space. And you got more closet space here as well. Look here. All right, so it stopped raining. I'm gonna go to the backyard. This building, the HOA is very low for the area. It's $500 a month. It includes obviously has reserves. It includes the maintenance of the outside, the yard, the pest control. Just painted these. The building has 4 floors, a bit over 40 units. We're walking over to the amenities now. All right. So here we got 2 barbecue grills. They're gas fed. See the fairway of the 14th hole of the Boca Resort. Here's the pool area. Walk in here to the first floor lobby. Here you have all the mail for all the units. Now, that's the way to the pool. The cool thing about here is you have a bathroom down here. That you could use so guests don't track ice. So this bathroom's available if any guests from the pool. They don't have to go through your home. You just use that little cabana bath here. You got laundry room. This is the lobby, completely secured. You can only get in here with a fob. See, all your Amazon packages are left here.